FCTC Training Tips 2026 Firefighter Candidate Testing Center. All you need to know. Question 1. If cog A, large, is connected by a belt to cog B, small, and cog A turns clockwise, what happens to cog B? Turns clockwise and faster. Turns clockwise and slower. Turns counterclockwise and faster. Turns counterclockwise and slower. A belt connection maintains the same direction. The smaller gear will rotate faster to match the linear speed of the belt. Question 2. A ladder is leaning against a wall. To increase stability and prevent the base from slipping, where should the center of gravity be? As high as possible. As low as possible. Tilted away from the wall. Positioned directly over the top rung. A lower center of gravity increases the stability of the object. Question 3. Sol, if a fire hose delivers 150 gallons per minute, GPM, how many gallons will it deliver in 15 minutes? 1,500, 2,000, 2,250, 3,000. 150 * 15 equals 2,250. Question 4. If a front-engine car rolls down a slope with no steering, where is it most likely to end up? Veering left, veering right, continuing in a straight line relative to its initial path, spinning in circles. In a basic physics model without external steering or friction bias, it follows the path of gravity, straight down the slope. Question 5. For weights, 5 kilograms, 10 kilograms, 50 kilograms, 1,000 kilograms, are dropped from 10 meters at the same time in a vacuum. Which hits the ground last? 5 kilograms, 1,000 kilograms. They hit at the same time. 10 kilograms. In a vacuum, gravity acts equally on all masses, so they fall at the same rate. Question 6. If cog A turns clockwise and is in direct contact, mesh, with cog B, which direction does cog B turn? Clockwise. Counterclockwise. It doesn't turn. Upwards. Directly meshed gears turn in opposite directions. Question 7. A store sells 37 customers 1 widget each, 13 customers 2 widgets, and 9 customers 4 widgets. Total sold: 59, 77, 99, 125. 37 * 1 plus 13 * 2 plus 9 * 4 equals 37 plus 26 plus 36 equals 99. Question 8. In a reading passage about a glacier melting and blocking a path with ice, why could the southern route not be taken? The map was outdated. The glacier had melted completely. Ice was blocking the path. The snow was too deep. The passage specified that the leading edge of the glacier broke and left a wall of ice. Question 9. What is the least efficient route if route A has 5 stops, route B has 3 stops, and route C has 2 stops? Route A, route B, route C. All are equal. Least efficient usually refers to the path with the most stops or longest duration. Question 10. If you round 6.5 to 7 and 2.1 to 2, what is the estimated product? 12, 13, 14, 15. 7 * 2 equals 14. Question 11. Which mechanical tool is best for increasing torque when loosening a bolt? A shorter wrench, a longer wrench, a hammer, pliers. A longer handle increases the lever arm, thus increasing torque. Question 12. A pulley system with 2 ropes supporting a load reduces the required lifting force by how much? It doesn't reduce it. By half, by 1/3, by double. A simple 2-rope mechanical advantage reduces the force by half, ignoring friction. Question 13. If a liquid is flowing through a pipe and the pipe narrows, what happens to the speed of the liquid? It slows down. It speeds up. It stays the same. It stops. According to the principle of continuity, fluid speeds up in narrower sections of a pipe. Question 14. On a map, if north is up, which direction is to the right? South, east, west, northwest. East is 90 degrees clockwise from north. Question 15. What should you do if a test question asks for the generally best answer? Choose the one that is true in a specific rare case. Choose the one that is true under ordinary conditions. Skip the question if it's not 100% accurate. Look for a trick answer. FCTC guidelines advise choosing the answer that is true under ordinary conditions. Question 16. If 3 gears are in a row, A, B, C, and A turns clockwise, what direction does C turn? Clockwise. Counterclockwise. It remains still. Upward. A turns CW-B turns CCW-C turns CW. Question 17. Solve for x. 2x plus 5 equals 15. 5, 10, 7.5, 20. 2x equals 10, x equals 5. Question 18. A firefighter uses a 2.5-inch hose. If they switch to a 5-inch hose, how much more area does the cross-section have? Double. 4 times. 8 times. The same. Area is proportional to the square of the radius. 5/2.5, caret 2 equals 2 squared equals 4. Question 19. In a spatial test, if you turn a figure 180 degrees, it is now reflected, upside down, facing the same way, a mirror image. A 180-degree rotation flips the object vertically and horizontally. Question 20. What is the primary goal of the FCTC written test? To test specific firefighting skills. To measure general knowledge, reasoning, and ability to process information. To test physical strength. To test medical knowledge. The FCTC test measures cognitive abilities and the capacity to learn technical info.